Hi everyone, welcome to Excel with Duty channel. So in today's video, we are going to see how we can protect the sheet. So there are various methods we can protect the sheet. So sometimes when you're working on any sensitive data and you don't want the user to edit anything in the worksheet, so this is a very helpful function at that time. So you can protect the sheet and the user will not be able to edit anything. However, he'll have the read-only access. So let's see how we can protect the sheet. I have a sample data and currently you can see everything is editable. So the sheet is in editable mode here. So the very easy method that we can protect the sheet is we can just right click on the tab here and you can see the protect sheet option here. Just click on the protect sheet option there. Now it will ask you the password. Let's say I'll give the password 123. It will ask you the password once again. You'll have to give the same password again. So let's say 123 again. And now if you try to click any cell, you can see there'll be a pop-up that you're trying to click change the edit the cell or something in a protected sheet. So now the sheet is protected. If we try to click anywhere in this sheet, we'll not be able to do anything because the sheet is protected. So this is how you can protect the sheet. So even if you try to right click and see the other options, you can see all the options are disabled, which we use to edit the data. All the options are disabled here. So that shows that the sheet is protected. Even if you see the options in the ribbon of the Excel, they are mostly disabled. So that's how you can protect the sheet. Now I'll show you an option where you can protect the sheet. However, you can enable some of the options whichever you want to edit or you want to perform any operations even when the sheet is protected. So how you can do that? So the sheet is unprotected here now. So let me just go back and protect the sheet. When the dialog box is open, in the default way all the options are logged when you protect the sheet. However, you can choose to unprotect the selective features which you want to work on even when the file is completely or the sheet is completely protected. So let's say we want to introduce any row or any column here while the sheet is protected. So how we can go about that? We'll do a right click, we'll open the dialog box protect sheet, and now I'll just check insert row, insert column, insert row, delete column, delete row. And now I'll give the password 123. I'll say OK. Again, I'll give the password 123 and I'll say OK. Now, if you click anywhere outside in the sheet, you'll see the sheet is protected. Even the same thing, even if you see at the ribbon bar, you can see the sheet is protected. All the options are disabled. But if you click inside the table and you do the right click, now if you click inside the table, so now you can see our entire sheet is logged. Also, you can see the options in the ribbon bar, they are disabled as well, which confirms that the sheet is logged. However, we just made the insert and the delete rows and column option enabled. So let's see, you select any kind of any row out of this table, and if you click on insert sheet rows, and here you go. So you can still insert the row here because we had enabled the insert row option on this table. Still you can see the outer cells are all disabled. If you want to insert a column here, it has just inserted the column. So that is how you can protect the sheet. However, you can keep the options few. You can keep selective options open for you, like we just did the insert and the delete cells and rows and column. Now I'll show you other ways how you can protect the sheet. So you can protect the sheet. You can just go to the review tab here, and you can, if it's she, we have the protect sheet option here. If you click on there, it will open the same dialog box for you, and you can protect the sheet from here as well. So this is the second method. Also, you can protect the sheet. There is a third method as well. You can go to the home tab. You have the option of format, and currently the sheet is unprotected. Let me just, okay. You can go to the format tab, and you can see it has the protect sheet option there. It will open up the same dialog box there, and with this method as well you can protect the sheet. And lastly, we have another method uh, from through which you can protect the sheet. You can go to the file option, you can go to info and protect workbook, protect current sheet. So it will open up the same dialog box here that you got through all the other three methods as well. So this was the fourth way how you can protect the sheet. So you can protect the sheet by any of these. However, the simplest which I feel is you can just, if you have the mouse, you can just right click on the tab here, and you can simply protect the sheet through this. So this is how you can protect the sheet. This is how you can keep some of the options enabled as well, and you can safeguard your data while you're working on the Excel. Thanks for watching the video. We'll connect in the next videos. Thank you.